Welcome to Vidya Vaibhav Public School. The first topic we are going to learn is line art. This is for the month of November. So, draw a shape like this. This is a water wave. And again a water wave. And here I am drawing a lighthouse. Okay, so this is the basic outline of a drawing. You should draw exactly same like this. The technique you can apply for others also. Just draw a line like this because it's a line art. You got it? How I'm moving? Exactly in the same way you should follow. So repeat the same for each and every object. It means the object is like which is the division. See, the wave is different, right? Like this, from in to out you should draw a wave. So this type of art is called an line art. Again the same way you should repeat for other waves also. You are using same technique. Just draw the straight line. Okay, the line art is completed. Here we are not coloring anything. A lighthouse will be like that. The second topic is 3D drawing. This is for the month of November. Now just draw the standing line and sleeping line and again one standing line. It will feel like a door. And again one slant line. It should not touch to the point. And again one more slant line from right side to left side, and again from that point a slant line will continue. Okay, so here we draw it like a door, and one more it's like a inside to outside a wall is there. Now we are going to draw the, so this is the end point. Okay, this is a end point. Now here draw one standing line, sleeping line. You should continue in the same size. Okay, one standing line and a sleeping line. Continue till end. And from that point you should draw a straight line. From that point, it's not a straight line. From that point you should draw the same size of a line. If you are okay to draw with the free hand, you can do with the free hand, or else you can use a scale also. If you felt it's required a ruler help, you can use a ruler. Now we should start working with the shading here. See, for each and every stroke I am using a different direction. Yes, you can able to see, because that is a inside wall. So I am using a pencil was very slant and flatted, and I am using a technique of dark to light. And for the wall completely I am making dark. Look how I am using from left to right. In the same way I am using for all the places. Direction and angle is very important when we are doing a art. Finally the wall will look like a very dark like this. And then coming to the step, one should be in very light and the next should be little dark, and same way should be continue very light and dark. So again light and dark, light and dark, continue the same technique. So work properly, again light and dark, light and dark. Then anyway we are going to give a outline. You can able to see that outline, yes, which we drawn before. I'm giving a little stroke was little dark, the line was little dark. So this is one of the method that working only with the shade we did a 3D drawing. Okay. Yeah. The first drawing we learned, it's a line art. The second we learned a 3D drawing. Thank you.